Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help fix Roblox not joining games on your PlayStation 5. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and fast. A weak signal can prevent you from joining. Next, perform a full restart of your PlayStation 5 console. This often resolves temporary glitches. Also, always confirm that both your Roblox application and your PlayStation 5 system software are completely up to date. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues and prevent smooth gameplay. These initial checks are crucial for a quick resolution. If initial steps don't work, let's dive into network solutions. A wired Ethernet connection can provide a more stable and faster experience than Wi-Fi. Consider changing your DNS settings to a public server, such as Google DNS, which can sometimes improve connectivity. A simple power cycle of your router and modem, by unplugging them for about 30 seconds, can also clear up network issues. Finally, ensure no network restrictions are inadvertently blocking Roblox access. Now, let's focus on the Roblox application itself. Clearing the cache data for Roblox on your PlayStation 5 can resolve many common glitches. If that doesn't help, a complete reinstallation of the application might be necessary to ensure all files are fresh and uncorrupted. Sometimes, simply logging out of your Roblox account and then logging back in can refresh your session and fix connection problems. Always check the official Roblox server status page too, as the issue might be on their end. For persistent issues, try these advanced steps. Utilize your PlayStation 5's built-in network diagnostic tools to pinpoint any specific connection problems. Rebuilding your console's database from safe mode can sometimes resolve deeper system conflicts. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your problem and contact Roblox support directly. They can offer specialized assistance. Lastly, if you're experiencing connectivity issues with other games too, reaching out to PlayStation support would be your next best step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.